In the wires, we're the ghost. Ego's king, we rule the host. Masks on screens, we wear them proud. Silent hands inside the cloud. Flicker in the firewall glow. Name in red on a watch list row. Every trace that they think they own, we erase, turn it all to smoke. Hack the world, that's the dream. Pull the thread of the global seam. One small key, whole sky screams. Hack the world, the final scheme. Hack the world, feel it bend. Every closed gate starts to rend. From the core to the crack machine. Hack the world, the final scheme. Reach the system, break the code. Watch the virus overload. Black hood up, eyes run cold. Turn the silver into mold. 10 fake memes on a single wire. One small spark, whole grid on fire. Who owns what when the locks all fail? Who holds power when we lift the veil? Heartbeat sync with the scroll. Cursor dancing on the soul. All their walls built tall and proud. We just walk straight through the crowd. Hack the world, that's the dream. Pull the thread of the global seam. One small key, whole sky screams. Hack the world, the final scheme. Hack the world, feel it bend. Every closed gate starts to rend. From the core to the crack machine. Hack the world, the final scheme. Are you in or out tonight? Ride the edge or run from sight. When the curtain tears in two, will the ghost look back at you? Hack the world, that's the dream. Pull the thread of the global seam. One small key, whole sky screams. Hack the world, the final scheme. Hack the world, feel it bend. Every closed gate starts to rend. From the core to the crack machine. Hack the world, the final scheme.
Howdy everyone. Why I'm late? Actually, I was in a meeting, boss. Like, work has been a lot recently. Not going to lie to you, these things have been like so. And if you saw, I was cooking too, which was really nice. I cooked really well today. I'm proud of myself. Here is the image. I cooked good stuff, bro. I cooked good stuff. I got talent. I just don't know about it. A1. A1 mic drop. That's how good I'm of a chef. Bonus? No bonus incoming. No bonus. Just I don't lose my job basically. Dude, time is like really interesting right now because there is like so much pressure because of the AI on things, and like when you are working on a system with no documentation, it's crazy. I don't know what to say to in this case. It's interesting. Oh, I see. Yeah, dude. So yeah, basically the reason is in the DC why I'm late. But I'm happy I started cooking home. So I'm like actually going to eat better instead of just getting outside food. I'm learning how to cook home. Your range, what's up, bro? Dude, I have to do that too, man. I was just like really busy over the weekend too because system went down. So I had to like take care of certain things. I have to do that, man. I have to do that. And also, interesting thing is, I am going to stop super chat. I'm going to like disallow super chat. I was supposed to do it over the weekend, but I didn't get time. I should try that, right? I should make it. Thing is, like, my kitchen is dirty, so I don't know if that's the right idea, but yeah. It was like, you guys saw, I think, like, Unknown was with me. I was like there till like 2 a.m. or 3 a.m. trying to fix the server issue. Actually, the reason I will tell you why I disable it, because I was looking, right? I'll show you something interesting. So, for example, like when Templar paid me 20 rupees, right? I only got like, I think, 10 rupees out of it, 9 or 10 rupees out of it. Or let's say put 11. This is what I got back. You know why? So I looked, 30% cut. If you are using Android, 30% cut is taken by Google, or if you are using iOS, 30% cut is taken by Apple, right? And then top of it, YouTube also takes a 30% cut. So like, and then there is tax. Yes, thank you, Wrench. Then there is tax on that income. So I'm actually like, there is no point in you guys trying to help me sending money when like majority of the time you are just filling. So it's all 30% is by this, 30% is YouTube. So it's almost like 60% is already gone minimum. Yeah, if you do it from browser, only YouTube takes the cut, but that's still a lot. What I was thinking, what I was looking in, is that the normal donate version, where donation just takes like 1 or 2%, right? If you do through PayPal or stuff. I have to look into that. But that's why I don't want to, like, I don't want you guys to do super chats or anything. Yeah, Remitly is there. Remitly is there. There are various ways, like PayPal is simply there. So there are ways, but right now I'm just trying to like do videos, and I'm trying to get my work done, my main job done. I'm not looking into like super chats or those, and I'm just going to like put them in the side. My main focus is like, have a working job, have some work, so it pays my bills. I have like streaming keep on going, and I try to make reels, and then with ads and all those stuff, I should be able to make money, or through sponsorship, like through super chats. I think right now I don't want to look into that, or like even pay attention to that personally. There's no point like right now, because even no matter how much money somebody gives, like unless and until Mr. Beast come and say, hey, focus on YouTube, I'm giving you 100 grand. That's a very extreme case. Unless and until that happens, there is no point I'm leaving my job, right? No, actually, I don't think so. I will ever be rich. I will have good income, but I will like keep on giving it away. I just have that habit. I know that from the very start. I just have a habit of like just giving it away, which is okay, which is nice. Because I think a lot of people need money more than me. Put a scanner? Yeah, yeah. But like basically, like for now, all I want to say is do not send any super chats or do not do anything. Let me actually pause it. Can I do it from my YouTube? Let me do it from here directly in front of you guys. And then we'll get started. Yeah, like honestly, because I have a job, but a lot of people, I think, if I have money, I'm just going to give some money away and stuff. Like, let's see how things go. Where is super chat? How to remove super chat? If you continue, your fans will no longer be able to see super chats as a purchase option. You will never be able to earn money. Yeah, I understand that. Turn off. Turn off. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But I want to disable it from my end because I will forget. So everything is good. Cool. Okay. Hi dad. Sounds good. Okay, you guys can see it's disabled, right? Can you like refresh and see? Or it has to be from the next string? No, it's still there. It's still there. I see it. Okay, just don't do it. I think from next stream it will be gone. Cool. But the main thing is done. That's a good thing. I'm happy about that. Okay, with that being said, let's turn on subscription. Oh, like the join and all those stuff? Oh, it's gone. Good. Turn on subscriptions. Even like subscriptions takes a cut. I will look into it so that you guys don't have to pay any type of like, and money goes directly to the person you want, right? So don't worry. We'll look into it. Just don't do anything today. Okay. With that being said, let's get going into longest common subsequence. We did this thing a couple of days ago. No, not even private. What you want, like, if I create a private channel, that would mean like I'm creating content that is like private and only people who can afford it can see it. I don't want a community like that. I never want a community where you have to pay. Like, yeah, you told me not to drink from plastic bottles, so I started doing that. Yeah, I'm never doing like. There is no point of having a community which is like only people who can afford it has to pay. I don't want that. Nah, nah. I don't want that. Because like I was there are so many great YouTubers who I would like to see their content, but I have to pay to see their content, and I just don't like that, right? So I don't want to give you guys the experience. It's the same as the book, right? A lot of time what you are buying, when you are buying a book, majority of the money is going to the publisher. Why not do this? Every book is online. Read a book, you like it, pay the money to the person, or just buy a hard copy. I love this book, right? We had this system design book, loved it, read it, and like bought it. Then he trims walkthroughs and make them okay. Yeah, sounds good. We'll see. Like, how things go, we don't know, right? We don't know how things will go in the future or stuff. You guys being here, that's actually like big thing. And hopefully if I have a job, right, I keep making money from the main job, that will do a big thing, and we can just keep on chilling here. Okay, with that being said, let's get going into the longest common subsequence. This is one of the things we did. Now I think everybody should be able to talk to me. We can look. I just don't think so I want to do that personally. I just really don't think I want to do that. Maybe if things change in future, maybe, but right now I don't think so. Whether it's subscription on Twitch, might I want to see if I can pause it, but I don't think so. That's possible. Yeah, let's see. Let's see. I might start a GoFundMe. I might start a GoFundMe. Want to be a full-time YouTuber? Welcome to my channel, guys. Okay, so enough of that. Let's get going into our another dynamic programming problem. Yeah, exactly. So that removes the issue of private channel, right? That's what I was thinking too. I'm like, majority of the people need a GoFundMe, man. Okay, hackers from members. That's actually a good one. That's actually a good one. That's actually a good one. Okay, lads. But let's get started because that's what we came here for, right? So maximum score. I think we did this one. Yeah, we did this one. We completed this one. Now we have completed this one as well, but we did it a couple weeks ago. So I just want to go over and see if we are able to do it with dynamic programming. So given two strings, text 1 and text 2, return the length of their longest common subsequence. If there is no common subsequence, return 0. So a sequence or a subsequence is a string. Templar, what's up, bro? How you doing? A subsequence of a string is a new string generated. Templar, one thing. No more super chats. Actually, like I have disabled super chats. I don't know if you can see it or not, but don't no more super chats, please. Thank you. Because like 60% cut is taken by YouTube and Google and all these guys. So I'm just like I want to stop that. But thank you so much for the super chat though, man. That was my first super chat and I want to remember it forever. Okay. A subsequence of a string is a new string generated from original string with some characters cannot be none deleted without changing the relative order. So ACE is a subsequence of ABCD because ACE, if we remove B and D, is we are able to get this, right? A common subsequence of two things is a subsequence that is a common of both. So like ABC is also ABC, the longest common subsequence. There is no common, so return is 0. Here is 3. We have to find how to create, like if we are given text 1 and text 2, what is the longest common subsequence of these? Trusting. Text 1 could be bigger, text 2 could be bigger, any of them can be bigger. Okay. But I want to do it in a black dark mode. Okay, and let's see how many companies have asked. This is a pretty Micron one. Okay, Metas. Okay, this is a good one. Popular. Nice. Okay, let's go into this one. Let's get into this. Here is the link, lads. Think we have done this? No, we actually haven't done this. We have done a different one. So given text 1 and text 2, longest common subsequence, A, V, D, E, F. I think a easy solution would be, let's say if we have two arrays or two strings, right? Can we put in this way? We say, let's say if this is whichever one is smaller, if both are equal, that's a whole different thing. But let's say which one is stronger, A, C, D. We look at each one, I and J, I, J. If they are same, great. This moves one, this moves one. Common subsequence. I was thinking like if we move from here, right? C, if C comes here, that's great. Then D, right? We are able to see the length. Hmm. Or maybe have a hash map. A good old hash map. Yeah, dude. Yeah, that's what I was saying. Like here, you Google or Apple will take it if you are doing through an app, right? If you are doing through your phone, Google will take something or Apple will take. YouTube definitely takes 30%. Then there is tax through the government. Everything is great. Like the money you sent, I think you sent 20 rupees and I got like 9 or 11, something around that I got. So we just have to look. Maybe like I'll just remove the super chat and find a different way. But thank you for doing it, man. Really appreciate it. It's great, right? It's crazy. I think you're like with the super chats, people are funding Google and Apple more than like the streamers. Yep, that's exactly. Old habits die hard. That's true. That's true, man. The poor poverty mindset. That's true. Bro, an application was asking for a 3-minute introduction video. I sent the video with the staggering. No, just send it. What's the maximum that can happen? Just send it. If he doesn't like the staggering, that's okay. If the stammering, he doesn't like it, that's okay. But if you don't send, you don't know, right? He might even ignore that. You will still have a chance. Yep, 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 yep. But like, if you don't send it, you will not get the job. If you at least send it, that's fine. You will know which company never to apply for again. Can you like create a single video, record it in multiple clips? Just tell him like, hey, I recorded that one in multiple clips. If you want, here's the unfiltered version. Yeah, let's try to do it that way. Just tell him like, hey, this is my full video. Open Zoom, start recording, done. He does sounds like it. It does sound like it. So my question another is, what if it's like this? A E, should the answer be 2? Original string. Given to string, return the length of the longest common subsequence. A subsequence is this. So common between these two. So maybe using something like a hash map. Let's say I create a hash map with this first. Yeah, I did. Here let's go. Here you go, boss. I need to reduce the ads. Why there are so many ads going on? Yeah, no, the hash map will solve it, right? So if I have hash map, right, I can say A, B, C, D. But again, I have to store it in a way all the values. But if one is smaller than the other, I'm just thinking, is this a possibility? A, D, C. Nice, bro. Good job. Welcome to the club. Congratulations. Welcome to the dark side. Okay, I'm just trying to think. What if the case is like this? Create a hash map of this. Rohit, it's the longest common subsequence. Let me actually pin it so it's easy for everyone to see. Here you go, boss. Now I'm not even thinking about hash map actually. I should think about in a dynamic programming way. Let's do that way. In a dynamic programming way, how we'll do it? If I am given text1, t1, and text2, how will I do it in a dynamic programming way? Dynamic programming is all about like dividing things into smaller ones, right? So if I have one and if I have text2, right? I want to see if this one matches this, I increase this, which part of this matches. I think that would be the dynamic. Tell this part and this part. I think that would be the way, right? So if I have this as T1, this as T2, I go to the ith element. I want to find what is the most common one till I and j. I minus 1 equal what? How will that work? It should be more like, if it is like this, A, B, C, D, E, and this is A, D, E, create till here, okay. Does it have a next one? B, I keep it in a set B, C, now D, okay, matches. So now we go to the next one. I don't think that will give me the longest, because the problem is if columns and rows, but what I'm thinking is, what if it's more like this? Is this a right way to think even? If this is like F, G, D, E. So the most longest common one out of all these is A, D, E, right? So I go here, I go here, create like a set. Is B present in F? No. If C is D, maybe I should add G, D, E. Now I know which one to go next, right? I think create like a set to know which next one to go to. Maybe that way. So I start from, let's say, my set, or set 1, whichever is actually smaller actually. Length of text 1, then length of text 2. Bro, write about actually work with Wrench and Rover, look into like how to use CloudWatch and all the AWS related. That's what I was talking about, right? Like look into how in cloud you can have a really secure defense system. what are the ways, what are the various ways you can do. There are every single service you have to go into, how you can use Amazon's AI abilities to do it. Like that would be a really, like it would be like multiple blogs, but it would be a really good blog, like series. It would be a whole series. That will help me too, because I'm working towards those right videos. So look into like just defense, how to use various services. Yeah, like work with Wrench. Like Wrench, you should work with Ashish, man. You guys both can actually together, because in real world you have to work together with other people. Learn how you can sync, use GitHub to like share code. Those are the ways to do it. If you want help, I can like join in with your GitHub and like share that with the world, so you can show it off in the interviews. So if you are like test one, then two, text one. So I have big and small. You will get a job, you will get paisa hi paisa, bro. So much money because of that if you get the job, right? Oh, oh, like a 2D matrix. Hmm. Yeah. Let's see if this one works though. My question would then, that one, then if there are multiple A's. Hmm. Yeah, makes sense. Actually, I think I like that idea. Basically, create a 2D matrix, right? It will have like first or index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whichever matches, it becomes previous, the above one, plus 1, right? So how would that be? Let's say if this is like A, B, C, D, E, F. A, not even A, let's say C, A, excuse me, C, D, G, and F. Let's say this is the Oh, nice. That's an interesting way. So this would be 0. C matches any of these? Yes. Right? And then A matches this. Hmm. Doesn't matches. Yeah, my method works. Good. One second left. Okay, going back. This does it matches the next one? This all will be 1 now. Now I want to see. Yeah, it's always this side. So now so far A has matched. Should be 1 like this, right? Yeah, that's good, bro. That's good. Enjoy the freedom while it lasts. If I just take A, it should be like this. Happens, bro. Yeah, I'll do the PT one. Definitely. Like, we are going to make some changes. We are going to cover the PT one, but not necessarily a lot of TryHackMe stuff. We will cover like hack the box, sports swinger, and stuff because yeah, like TryHackMe thing. If you saw the Saturday or Friday stream, what happened? We want to check that out. Is the last one is 1. We want to do this as 1 still, but here this becomes 2. No, like we will. I already paid for it, right? Might as well get that done out of the way. But like I have to just like not show much of it. Dude, I think you think a lot highly of me. Okay, this one becomes 2, right? If this is at the corner, and everything after this will still be 2. No, like I really hardly have free time. I'm like some days I'm just skipping a meal. Like I'm not even taking breakfast. I'm just drinking some water in the morning and just going directly to lunch. That's my issue. So it would be like this, right? This will still be 3. This will be 4. Like you want something like this, right? Panda, don't worry. You will soon be able to. Don't you worry. Yeah, I think this is the way. Mm-hmm. Sure, buddy. Sure, Range. Sure. So I think we have to first create, like if we want to do this method, right? We have to first create a 2 by 2, right? Okay, we'll create a 2 by 2 matrix with, let's say, text 1 length and text 2 length. Then if character 1 will go over this text 1, if this one, we do I and j, we go over all the I ones and then just do it. Okay, I think I understand the idea. I've never done a 2D array in Python. 2D. Okay. Interesting. So this way is the way. We all are pawns in the system, boss. We all are. If I have columns like this, length text 1, length text 2, this creates that, right? Now we go we should do that one day. We should do that. I think I need to reach that level though. But we should do that. For every ch in text 1, ch2 in text 2. Right now what we do is, if we just have to care about the first column and stuff, we go, we match. If this one is equal to this one, the value of this plus 1 plus the diagonally opposite. Length of text 1, text 2. So we are going to go for the reason we are doing length, so we can keep a track of like the first column, right? If text1 I to j if any of them is equal to 0, then it will start with 1, right? So I'll call it dp, much easier. And j equal to 1, else and j turn What if I want to print this? Will it print properly? Okay. Yeah, bro. E-closure. We closure. Right, so this is ACE. CTF is like the hacking thing. A, B, C, D, E. Oh, K. I think I know. If it is a match, do this. Else, +1. Else, no. Got it. Got it. Got it. We have A. This will become 1 and 1. This should become 1 and 1. Okay, I won't pay attention to chat for 2 minutes. Let me just get this. It should be like this. It should be going like this. Right? This should become 2. Whichever one is the maximum, put that. And this should still be 2. This should become 3. Whichever is the maximum, do that. Okay. max of j. Okay, we got this. Cool. One thing I love about Python, I don't have to write everything down. It gives me the result properly, like the way I want it, not like an address in Java. Okay, we got this. Everybody, it looks like a middle finger for some reason. It looks legit like a middle finger. This is what happens when you finally do something good. Right? How about I do this? Does that make it better? Any faster? Little even? Nope. Same shit. I'm going to be there. Bro, what is your one? Your maybe it depends on the which one you're selecting. Panda is angry. Indeed. Panda is angry. Okay. Alrighty, lads. So that's good. Came back after a weekend. We completed something in like. What is this? What is a stream marker? I switched back to Golang, so fine. Mine is much faster. Makes sense. But is your one, is your algorithm, right? Is like we are going over all these, so we are going over this and these. So is your algorithm better than this? Right? So greedy and dynamic programming. No. What is your algorithm's like time complexity? I'm actually looking at the time complexity here. They have the same O m times n, so I think we are all on the same page. Nah, show it, show it, show it. Show it. You gotta show it. I don't trust. Cool. So I have the link for this goody good stuff. Mine goes to 3 millisecond. Wow, interesting. You are at the same as me. What do you mean, like suggestion? I got the same. One array. Using one array instead of two. Hmm. Maybe we can do one. Maybe we can do one. I'm just thinking like maybe if we have A, B, C, D, E, A matches, we got one, right? Hi Doro, hola, what's up, bro? But I guess this is it. I think this is still good. Maybe we can look into that on our own time. I don't know how to do it. I will send you guys the editorial for this so you guys can look into this more. And for tomorrow, what we can do is we got this done, right? So we have this here, retrieve. No, maximum score is not. Huh? I don't know why. Idor, how's the study going, mate? Oh, multiply we didn't do. Oh, it's a hard one which we didn't do. Okay, we can look into this tomorrow. This is the one we'll continue, and I will probably have a solution next time. This is what we were doing, I think I remember last time. Okay, not an issue. So let's. No, there has to be tomorrow because I have to go get some sleep, bro. If I don't, I will be missing some meetings tomorrow, and even the stream. I don't want to miss the stream. Yeah, go for Smash, man. Smash Bros. Go for it. Okay, nice, cool, bro. I love the thing you sent though regarding your rat. It was pretty good. Really like it. Like actually, screen sharing is pretty good. No, Smash Bros. The game. You dumb, bro. You always going the gay side. You never think of like outside the closet, bro. Come outside the closet, Ranch. Come outside the closet, bro. It's a pretty popular game. One day you need to come out of the closet, bro. Finally, one day. Yeah, Smash Bros. There's nothing super about it. I don't call it super. I call it Smash Bro. You should have understood. It seems like a you problem, bro. That's hilarious. Brawl. Okay. We should play this someday. Like We should play Among Us. We should play like couple of things one day in the stream, in the Discord. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. Oh, I see. Got it. We should play like I don't know if you guys are down. We should play like a chess tournament one day. Have a chess tournament. Like this weekend, hopefully, maybe on the Friday or Saturday, we can do that. Yeah. No, I got the idea. I think that's where I got the idea with Metal Turtle. Rabbit! My man, what's up, bro? What's my elo? I don't know. I haven't played much. I just played for like 2 seconds once in a while. I don't even know where to check it properly. So in 1 minute, one is pretty bad. 3 minutes is 1084. 10 minutes is 1235. Okay, so I think like my best is like in this. This is my best time. राम राम भाई राम राम सिस्टम पाड़ देंगे राम राम भैया सिस्टम पाड़ देंगे 63 sorry 36 more yes oh wow that's crazy bro Netflix is bigger Netflix is definitely bigger probably Netflix is very big what are you talking about oh like you are saying they don't need to because they can get the resources I don't think that's the right way to put it though if he is 100 crore it should be like around 500 300 crore okay yeah, no, I think I'm with Idor in that case. I'm with Idor in that case. Okay, alrighty, lads. So I think that's all for today. I'm going to like stop the stream as I have to go to bed. It's 12. So we'll see you guys tomorrow for some not lead code, hack the box Windows stuff. There's a lot of stuff going on. Proper like tech fight going on. Yeah. But alrighty, lads. Hope you guys are able to come up to the closure of the argument or realization, whatever. I don't know. But thank you so much all for joining. We are just 36 followers away. So if you guys can also, and we are I think 300 hours away from monetization on YouTube or proper monetization. So if you can just keep the video on, right? keep the study with me session with 12 hours on. Yeah, gotcha. So yeah, just keep that on so we can reach that soon, and I will have enough money to create more giveaways. Yeah, sounds good. Gotcha. My apologies. Didn't understood it. Bro, you have to help me with the monetization. Then only I can like give you the money. Don't do the sharp thing. Don't no. But okay, lads. Thank you so much all for joining. It has been a pleasure. Hope you guys have a great day, great night. This was your favorite censored hacker, friendly neighborhood hacker, censored hacker, signing off with a big by and some in the wires. We are the ghost song created by us for this community and all the hackers in the world. Thank you so much. This was your favorite censored hacker, signing off with a big bye.
In the wires, we're the ghost. Ego's king, we rule the host. Masks on screens, we wear them proud. Silent hands inside the cloud. Flicker in the firewall glow. Name in red on a watch list road. Every trace that they think they own, we erase, turn it all to smoke. Hack the world, that's the dream. Pull the thread of the global seam. One small key, whole sky screams. Hack the world, the final scheme. Hack the world, feel it bend. Every closed gate starts to rend. From the core to the crack machine. Hack the world, the final scheme. Reach the system, break the code. Watch the virus overload. Black hood up, eyes run cold. Turn the silver into mold. 10 fake memes on a single wire. One small spark, whole grid on fire. Who owns what when the locks all fail? Who holds power when we lift the veil? Heartbeat sync with the scroll. Cursor dancing on the soul. All their walls built tall and proud. We just walk straight through the crowd. Hack the world, that's the dream. Pull the thread of the global seam. One small key, whole sky screams. Hack the world, the final scheme. Hack the world, feel it bend. Every closed gate starts to rend. From the core to the crack machine. Hack the world, the final scheme. Are you in or out tonight? Ride the edge or run from sight. When the curtain tears in two, will the ghost look back at you?